Hello, my name is Mizuno. And my responsibility is GTR project main chief. So I say 0.15 second or 0.2 second. So at first about exterior design, so especially aerodynamics performance up essence I changed around front bumper and around the rear bumper.
The 2012 GTR's 0.26 coefficient of drag cheats the air, while a Nissan original aero design philosophy accounts for improved downforce and cooling. The integrated canard-like contours on the front bumper achieve a Venturi effect that pulls additional air through the revised front grille opening. The resulting low-pressure area created in the engine compartment increases the cooling airflow through the radiator and intercoolers while literally sucking the vehicle down to the pavement to create an additional 10% downforce. Rear bumper ducts and aerosculpting work with a widened carbon fiber rear diffuser to increase cooling airflow to the rear brakes.
And about interior, more high quality and more sporty feeling. Engine horsepower up from 485 horsepower to 530 horsepower.
The 2012 Red Top VR38 DETT engine achieves its increased performance thanks to both hardware and software updates. Larger diameter intake pipes reduce inlet restriction, while a larger diameter exhaust system reduces the engine's pumping loss. To optimize the engine's efficiency and output, Nissan performed a complete recalibration of the boost control, fuel delivery, ignition timing, and valve timing. Average boost pressure was increased from 11 psi to 13 psi, while the peak overshoot boost levels now reach 17 psi. These improvements increased average combustion temperatures from an already toasty 1060 degrees to 1100 degrees Celsius. These high temperatures extract maximum energy from the fuel, allowing for an increase in combined fuel economy figures from 19 to 21 miles per gallon. While the in-cylinder temps are increased, improvements to the engine's cooling system and cooling airflow management result in a 10 degrees Celsius drop during testing on the Nürburgring.
And the next is suspension. Front suspension, I changed lever ratio, shock absorber specification, and caster angle. How about the rear suspension? I modified geometry.
Improvements and revisions have been made to both the chassis and suspension. A carbon composite strut support bar in the engine bay significantly reduces chassis flex. New dampers with aluminum-free pistons and revised valving mount to the front suspension at an improved lever ratio, while the roll center height of the rear suspension drops to a lower position. As expected, this suspension tuning allows the new GTR to excel during R mode use. The retuned Comfort mode now provides additional ride comfort.
Also, most important point is the brake system. So front rotor size changed from 380 millimeter diameter to 390 millimeter diameter. But not only diameter change, rotor specification. For example, thickness, cooling holes, pitch, or supporting fins specification. These all specification changed. And with it, I changed the VDC control, front and rear brake distribution ratio, little bit modified.
While 2.5-second quicker lap times at the Nürburgring and an increase in top speed from 193 to 196 miles per hour may be hard to appreciate, the reduction in 0 to 60 times from 3.6 seconds to 3.0 seconds put the 2012 GTR far ahead of the previous model. The reprogrammed VDC R mode improves standing start launches thanks to a higher launch RPM and revised front and rear torque bias split. Best of all, using the new launch control won't void the warranty. The new GTR only asks that after 4 launches, you drive it for at least 1.5 miles to cool down the transaxle and reset the mode lockout. After 2 rounds of lobbying with Nissan, they agreed to allow us to line up the 2011 and 2012 GTRs for a side-by-side drag race. When both drivers left at the same time, the 2012 was the obvious winner in 0 to 60 sprint challenges. The 2012's 4 best passes included 2 3.0 and 2 3.1 second passes. Nissan's own testing at Sendai Drag Strip in Japan resulted in a best 0 to 60 time of 2.886 seconds. The 2012 GTR Premium Edition checks in at an MSRP of $89,950. While this is nearly $5,900 higher than the 2011, the 2012 GTR is well worth the additional outlay. In fact, at $90,000, the 2012 GTR may be one of the best performance bargains out there. After all, the 530 horsepower Porsche Turbo S, which offers comparable performance, is priced at $160,000. Our advice? Get the GTR and spend some of that $70,000 on upgrades and track days.